from India to overseas. The concept itself has been bought in by all over the world personalities, and they make it. There are huge infrastructures that nothing happens in. So this is the best form of sport and entertainment on the common platform called Cricketinment.
India is moving in a totally different direction. We are growing in every way, whichever way we will take it, towards the sports. And I personally feel, as played sports for 20 years, and I feel whichever country have produced more sports people, they always remain on top. A year or so, I start playing celebrity golf in America, and I come to know how a film star, cricketer, or any other sports, they are entertainers. Sports, mostly I think it's going to be cricket. You can rope other sports also, it would be a very good idea. So I just want to give a country something different to cheer about that. Why not? We work very hard, different way to different people. Why not? And I think these film stars are real stars. They can add on to our sports also. Thank you.
The next gentleman in line who's supposed to join us on stage is a bit sort of controversial. You know, he was unanimously appointed captain by himself.
Hi, good evening, and thank you for being here. Unanimous experience, you know, when you're on your way out, they generally make you captain, tell you it's time to go. So that's why all the corporate giants are jumping into this very entertainment industry. I guess we need your support. Thank you very much for being here. And you're going to be introduced to the team very, very soon. It's a huge team, probably 30, 35 of us who are going to play whenever we are available.
Trust him to correct me. The next gentleman, before we get onto the team and sort of unleash the raw talent.
Good evening. I'm here to manage the team, you know, just discipline them and the diet and the exercise and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm the captain of the night team. Thanks.
Siddharth, I think, is going to introduce the team, so we'll just wait for Siddharth to come back.
An audio visual of the team members who are not present with us at the moment, and we're missing them. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Mr. Aditya Pancholi. Let's hear it for him. There he is. Mr. Aftab Shivdasani. He's all being here backstage so far. The Tiger Arbaaz Khan. The gentleman who's kind of itching to play immediately right now, I'm talking about cricket strictly, Ashish Chaudhary. The man known for his voice, but before that, I will call upon the stud boy Ashmit Patel. Like I built it up, the man with the mellifluous voice, who loves playing cricket as well, Babu Supriyo. Okay, well, as per the latest rumors, Dino and Bikram are holding hands and walking towards Tajland's end. All right, we've got Jimmy Shergill yahan with us right now. Well, I'd like to call upon Mr. Mahesh Manjrekar for directions. Last time when I saw this gentleman perform, I would call him a wicket keeper par excellence, Mr. Deshmukh. Mark Robinson. The next four that I'm going to call on stage will not be playing on field, but will have an Mayank Khandelwal. So the boys have to behave themselves with him because he's kind of very strict. Mayank, we'd love to have you here. Making them work very hard on field is going to be Pradeep. To have you here, sir. For Nirvana and Sal. Well, Rahul is busy practicing at home right now, so we would love to call Riteish Deshmukh. The man who's bubbling with energy and loves the roller coaster ride of chills, frills and thrills. The man with power from within, Mr. Sohail Khan. The boy wonder, Dattani. Well, the boy wonder is wandering around right now, so Mr. Shadab Khan. V for victory, V for Vikas Kalantri. Please come up on stage to make this one hell of a team. Vishal, team members are already motivating the other team members. That's the spirit of cricket. There's a 6-footer backstage as well. Shawar Ali, who loves his cap. He leaves his women, but not his cap. And we will be back. Good night. I request Suniel Shetty to do the honors. Mr. Shetty, sir, we need you to sign up on the back. The man of privilege for all of us. I request Aftab to do the honors as well. Mr. Shetty, proceed. Smile on his face. He's delighted. Themes for cricket. This is yours.
Excuse me.
Mr. Makar just said a line which is we can do it together, which means he wants both of them to sign. What about feeling for each other? The cause of cricket. And I request you to keep your signatures very small because there's no space for that. Mark.